Today we will discuss about the type of solution. Means we are discussing about the mixture. So mixture is divided into two categories, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous. So homogeneous, that is a solution, and solution is a component in which the solute is completely or uniformly dissolved by their mass. For example, if you add the 5 spoons sugar in a 1 glass water, after stirring properly, the 5 spoons sugar get disappeared, means get mixed uniformly into the solvent. The solute is mixed uniformly into the solute, right? So it has two components, that is solute plus solvent. Suppose here is a two type of solution. If we talking about the type of solution, right?
Aqueous and non-aqueous solution.
Aqueous plus non-aqueous solution. Aqueous, non-aqueous solution. Aqueous and non-aqueous solution. So aqueous solution is in which the solvent is water. Solvent is water. But non-aqueous solution is the solvent is instead of water, right? Is instead of water. For example, alcohol, carbon disulfide formula, that is H2S liquid, aqueous form में होता है.
Milk.
Yes. But milk is we will discuss the milk properly in the heterogeneous section, because milk is purely considered as a colloidal mixture, right? Solvent.
Yes, sir.
Aqueous solution in which the solvent is basically water, but in non-aqueous solution the solvent other than water, that is alcohol, that is carbon disulfide, that is benzene, right? So these are the points. Now another type of solution, that is
saturated and
solid in liquid. Solid in liquid means क्या होता है? Solid in liquid मतलब मान लीजिए शुगर है, तो शुगर क्या होगा? Solid होगा. और लिक्विड क्या है? तो वाटर होगा. सॉल्ट क्या है? तो सॉल्ट सॉलिड है, और वाटर क्या है? लिक्विड है. तो शुगर सॉल्यूशन, वाटर सॉल्यूशन, these are the type of solid in liquid. Okay?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Now another, that is another example, that is if we talk about the gas in liquid. Gas in liquid means liquid क्या है? Solvent है, और gas क्या है? Solute है. Let's talk about CO2 in water.
Plus water.
CO2 in water. If you taking example of carbonated water, Coca-Cola, that is example of carbonated water. Carbonated
Sprite.
water. So these are the example of CO2. CO2 we have as solute. we have as a solute, and water is we have as water. Water is we have as solvent. So gas in liquid. Another example, aquatic animals like fish, frog, they respire, they take oxygen from the water. The oxygen gas dissolve in water, so O2 in water. And respiration for the aquatic animals. Okay, another point. It is a respiration for aquatic animals. So gas is dissolved in liquid. So gas is liquid type of solution. Okay, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Next point. Now, solid in solid. Solid in solid. What it means? Means solute भी solid है और solvent भी solid है. For example, solute कौन होगा?
Bronze.
Zinc.
Bronze.
Zinc
Steel.
प्लस
Steel.
कॉपर. क्यों? क्योंकि
Steel.
40% होता है और ये कितना होता है? 60%. क्या बनाते हैं ये? ब्रास.
Brass.
नेक्स्ट, टिन, कॉपर. क्या बनाते हैं ये? ब्रॉन्ज. कितना परसेंट होता है?
Bronze.
20%, 80%. Zinc solid, tin solid, but zinc and tin we have like a solute, and copper 60% copper, 80% copper. These we have like a solid, that is solvent, because solution has two parts, that is solute and solvent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you, dear friend, if you take the chemistry in a 11th intermediate standard, you will be studying in a class 12 about the solution, and you will be discuss about the various aspects of the solutions. So this is an example of, this is a type of solution that is a solid in solid. So both solute and solvent are solid. Another point, that is that we are discussed about the characteristics of solution.
सर आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है.
सब दिखने लगा.
Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So I think all of you clear. Now take the characteristics of solution. The characteristics of solutions are characteristics of solution. Characteristics, the first and important characteristic of solution, they are consist of two parts. Two parts, that is solute plus solvent. Second part, the size of solute particles in solution is 10 raised to power minus 9 meters. 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. Hence, they can pass easily.
The filter.
Very good, बहुत अच्छे. Through filter paper. Another point. That is what point? This is a stable mixture.
Mixture.
Right? If you
Yes, sir.
mix the salt in a 1 glass water, you did not see after 1 hour the salt particles get settled down on the bottom of glass. Is that happen or not? Yes, it is not happen because it is a stable solution. Means the salt particles are uniformly distributed. Now, whole point. It did not show
Tyndall effect.
Tyndall effect. Very good. Tyndall effect. That's why their solid particles did not scatter the light, did not try to disperse the light. Disperse the light. So that's why it did not show the Tyndall effect, and it is a transparent mixture. Hello, it is a transparent mixture. So it is a characteristics of solution. The characteristics of solution is it is made up from 2 parts, that is solute and solvent. The size of solute particles in the mixture in the solution, that is 10⁻⁻⁹, and they did not scatter the light, means they did not show the Tyndall effect, and they pass easily through the pore of filter paper. इसलिए हम सॉल्यूशन को फिल्टर पेपर, सॉल्यूशन के सॉल्यूट को उनके सॉल्वेंट से अलग नहीं कर सकते, फिल्ट्रेशन नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि उनके जो सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल के साइज होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, दे आर लेसर, दे आर स्मॉलर देन द साइज ऑफ फिल्टर पेपर. उनके पोर साइज से छोटे होते हैं, इसलिए वो निकल जाते हैं, बाहर निकल जाते हैं, वो फिल्टर नहीं पाते. और ये स्टेबल मिक्सचर होता है. मिक्स करेंगे तो 1 आवर्स बाद इनके सेटल डाउन, इनके जो सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स होंगे वो सेटल डाउन नहीं होंगे, यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होंगे, एंड डिड नॉट शो Tyndall effect, and it is a transparent mixture of solutions. So come to the next point, that is the importance of solution. Importance of solution. The importance of solution. Importance of solution. The importance of solution is maximum metabolic reaction or biochemical reaction in living organism is done by the process of solution. Maximum biochemical reaction. The maximum biochemical reaction also include the metabolic reaction. For example, if we take medicine when we feel sick, ill, and suffer from various type of diseases, we start taking medicine, taking antibiotics against our diseases, and we take medicine, syrup, gelatinous capsules with the help of water. After taking the gelatinous capsule, tablets, syrup, etc. And these go to our stomach with the help of water, and whatever we want, we take either tablet, gelatinous capsules or syrup. जो भी हम इनहेल करते हैं वाटर के साथ, तो वो पूरा का पूरा वाटर में डिसॉल्व होता है, उस पर एसिडिक सेक्रीशन होता है. सेक्रीशन होने के बाद जब पूरा का पूरा यस वेरी गुड, जो केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, वो मल्टीपल कोलिजन होने की वजह से इनका जो रेट होता है वो फास्टर होता है. दिस हैज बीन ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन आवर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस. सो मल्टीपल कोलिजन बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर एंड whatever we eat, either tablet, syrups or gelatinous capsules. So collision between the molecule in the liquid state is very high, and that's why this is a very important solution in our daily life. If we're talking about the cough syrup, the cough syrup is a mixture of non-aqueous solution. The cough medicine are dissolved in alcoholic based solvent. So prevent from cure from the cough or cold and sneezing, we take cough syrup. And cough syrup composition is based on the alcohol. So alcohol is act as a solvent, and we have discussed recently, the alcohols are act like as a dissolution of some elements, and which are safe, because alcohol prohibited the growth of a microorganism like bacteria, fungus and other disease causing organism. अल्कोहल जो है वो श्रिंक की तरह वर्क करता है, पूरा का जेनेटिक मटेरियल श्रिंक हो जाएगा, डेड कर जाएंगे. सो इट इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ अल्कोहल, बट एट एडेक्वेट प्रोपोर्शन. Otherwise, alcohol can cause death of human being. So, and other, that is eye drop, ear drop. These are the in form of liquid solution. So in the form of solutions. The degradation of calcium carbonate marbles, and they are converted into from white to yellow with the help of water droplets, and these water droplets come in contact with carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, they form H2SO4 acid, and these acid come in contact with calcium carbonate, very hard substance, marble, granites, they start degrading, and they converted into the yellow color from white color. So these are the advantages, importances of the solutions.